Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to search in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so there are two main ways how you can search in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, whether you're looking for a formula or for a cell with a certain text or number. So the easiest way to do it is to use a keyboard shortcut. So if you are using a Mac, it's Command and F. If you are using a PC, it's Control and F. So if you press that, as you can see, this search bar will appear here in the top right corner of your screen, and you can add anything else you want, like daily stand up, and as you can see, Google Sheets will highlight the cell where it has found that specific value. And you can use these down arrows if you have found multiple values with the same text. If you want to have a more advanced search functionality, you can either click on the three dots here and this will open up this Find and Replace tool, or you can also use the Ctrl-H or Command-H keyboard shortcut, and this will open up this more advanced search functionality in Google Sheets, which you can not only use to find certain values in the Google Sheets, but you can also replace them automatically with another value. And then you can also specify where you want to search that specific value. So you can select all sheets, this specific sheet you are currently on, or you can also do that on a specific sheet. You can also use match case, match entire cell contents, search using regular expressions if you want to do that. You can also search within formulas if you use this setting, or you can also search within links. And once you have added all of your preferred search settings, just click on Find, and this advanced search functionality will find all occurrence of your search phrase. So all this I can search in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.